Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very fun cake. This is a girly zebra stripe cake. Let's get started.
I'm decorating an 8-inch cake dummy today. I frost the cake with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some pink fondant. I'm using this tiny fondant roller because I couldn't find my large one. I smooth the lines out of it with a fondant smoother and cover the cake with it. I smooth it on and trim the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some black fondant. I cut the fondant into uneven strips. Then I cut them in half, making them come to points. I place them along the edge of the cake pointing up. You don't want the stripes to be too standard, so you really want a lot of variation. This makes this cake very forgiving. You can also use the stripes to cover any wrinkles or tears in the fondant. Then I made some more stripes with points on both ends and placed them on top of the cake facing roughly the same direction. It doesn't have to be perfect. Feel free to make some stripes larger and some smaller. It makes it all look more natural. I like this cake. It reminds me of Lisa Frank back when I was a kid. Very girly, very fun. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.